Method overloading. When a class has two or more methods by the same name but different parameters, it's known as method overloading. So in this example, you will see three methods. These methods have the same name but different parameters. Now, if we call these methods by passing an argument value, the compiler knows which method to call on the grounds of the method input. So let me show you an example of method overloading. So in the exercise project, right-click on the method package and select New Class. Specify the class name as Method Overloading, and then select the checkbox for the main method. Outside the main method, let's declare a static int method add with two int parameters, x and y. And this method returns x plus y. Okay, so let's declare a static int method add with the same name but three int parameters, x, y, and z. So this method returns x plus y plus z. Now let's declare a static double method add with the same name but two double parameters, x and y. This method returns x plus y. These three methods have the same name but different parameters. So let's call these methods from the main method. Let's see what happens. So we can directly call these methods in the print method. So in the first print method, we call the add method with the parameters of 10 and 20 to display the sum of two int numbers. And the second print method, we'll call the add method with the parameters 10, 20, and 30 to display the sum of the three int numbers. And in the last print method, we'll call the add method with parameters 4.6 and 8.4 to display the sum of two double numbers. Okay, so let's run the code. Now, first, the int method add is called with two parameters and it prints the sum of two numbers is 30, right? Then the int method add is called with three parameters and it prints the sum of three numbers is 60. And the last, the double method add, is called and it prints the sum of two double numbers is 13.0.